Yapin niya ka ni Jello. Nilagpag ng boss.
Ready? Tingin. Sabi ng kon.
Ay, siya. Siya, Star Mari.
There. Ready? Complete sentence ang sagot mo. Pag sinabi ko, kasi hindi ako maririnig. Sabihin mo lang, palaki. Alam kong mananalo si Jessica Sanchez. Do whatever you want to say. Okay. But you want to say Jessica Sanchez kasi hindi nila alam kung anong sinasabi mo. Ready? Go.
Please, to all the Filipino fans of Jessica Sanchez, if you could please vote for her. I know she's a good singer, and we all love her. So, but let's not be confident that she might win. But still, let's vote for her. At the time they say we can vote, and please vote from 10 until 12. Thank you.
Tagalog. Sa palagay mo mananalo. Bakit mananalo si Jessica?
Jessica Sanchez is a good singer, so magaling na singer po si Jessica Sanchez, so sa palagay ko siyang mananalo. Pero magboto pa rin po tayo para manalo siya, sigurado. Thank you. Is that good?
Panalo na siya. Panalo na siya.